You ever wonder how to clean a concrete driveway fast, or if there are any pressure washer hacks so that you're not out here making zebra stripes with one of these wands all afternoon? If you've ever tried to wash your entire driveway with one of those wands, you already know it's slow, streaky, and honestly kind of miserable. So when Garvey offered me this as a sample, I was happy to take him up on it, and it's completely changed the way I clean all the concrete around our house. This thing covers 2 feet of surface area at once, so instead of chasing lines back and forth, it basically floats across the concrete using 2 spinning jets underneath, and that hover action gives you an even, streak-free finish that looks professionally clean without nearly as much effort. You can see it's almost as wide as my sidewalk, which is great because it means my sidewalk will only need a couple passes. Now, it's built out of stainless steel and brass, so it's solid, but it's not ridiculously heavy, and it's easy to maneuver back and forth on your driveway or your patio or whatever you're using it on. It's rated at 4,900 PSI, which means you can use it with just about any decent pressure washer. It'll also handle hot and cold water and soapy water, so if you want to mix chemicals in to use those and make it even more effective, you can. One thing I really appreciate is the 4 swivel wheels and the dual handles. If you've ever used one of those surface cleaners that you have to wrestle like a shopping cart, you'll get why this design matters. It moves smoothly, it doesn't strain your back, and that splash skirt down there keeps water from blasting on your legs. Hookup is easy too because it's got this 3/8 inch quick connect. So as long as you have a pressure washer that's at least 2,000 PSI, you're pretty much good to go. Now obviously you can see what a difference it's making here, but keep in mind, my pressure washer is nowhere near 5,000 PSI, and this is just a couple passes with 0 chemicals. So if you're running some kind of soap or something attached to this, or if you're using it with a gas pressure washer that is more powerful, it's going to give you even better results. But already years of grime gone in just a couple passes. So if you've ever been using one of these and thought to yourself, there's got to be an easier way, you were right. There is an easier way, and it's that. This 24-inch pressure washer driveway cleaner from Garvey is definitely the way to go. I'll link it below in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.